Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have UNIFI. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription and to check the two new tiers that we have on Patreon. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits, check all the benefits, and you won't regret it. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see UNIFI. So what do we have for UNIFI, and we talked about yesterday, is that we are going all the way down to 7.43 and even further down. Can we make it to the lower support levels, or are we going higher? First of all, I want to clarify something. It is not going to go to 200 USDT. Forget about these suggestions from some people. They could be bots. Okay, we have seen multiple times that we are seeing bots into the account, so therefore they are bots going into Twitter and they are trying to promote a project. Right now it is not the case that we are going to 200 USDT. Forget about it. It is better for your own safety not to follow these advices. These advices are nonsense and they are causing you just to lose money. Okay, many people have suffered from this and I really think that you should be really careful. But right now let's go to the price analysis. So eventually you will see why I have the 8.67, and the problem right here is that we are on the 20-day MA, which is also the 7.43, and it is also the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement after drawing the fib from the bottom right here 12 May to the top. Okay, so we want to draw the Fibonacci's from the bottom to the top to find major support levels. Okay, and you will see that the 0.5 was the resistance back here on 2nd April, and now we have it as a support currently. Now we might be going further down. We will explain why, but let's go to the 1 hour frame. And this is the reason why I have the 8.67. It is now the 20-day MA around here and also the 50-day MA. You can see that right now on the 1 hour frame, we are down below the 20-day, we're down below the 50-day MA, we're finding rejection right here, and this is not good. Also, if we do not go above the 8.67, do not expect an uptrend. What we need to do on the 1 hour frame is to close above the 8.67 around there to get to the next price target, which can be even higher than the 9.3. However, if we do not close above, forget about a very huge pump from UNIFI. So what is going to happen most likely for UNIFI? It is that we go lower, even lower than the 7.43. Yeah, that's right. I'm going opposed to the main idea that most of the people, most of the tweet accounts are proposing that UNIFI will be going above the 100 USDT. I'm not into that idea. I will be honest with you, and I'm always honest with the audience. I want to clarify this, that UNIFI will be probably going down to the 7.43, and the next target, the next stop could be around even to the 5.50 or first to the 6.23. So we have one major support level at the 6.23 and one other around a little bit further down. Okay, so you can see that right there, we can go with UNIFI and we can go towards the next support levels. So now I will be explaining for buyers. Let's say that you want to buy UNIFI and you trust that it will go above, all the way above the 22 and the 30 USDT again. I think that you should be doing that if we close above the 20 USDT. Yeah, that's right. 20 USDT is a major resistance level. If we close above it, then we can go to the next price targets. However, if we do not, then stay out of it. The most important scenario right here is that we are eventually going down. And Bill, you will ask me actually, Bill, can we go further down all the way, or will we have for example, let's say lower highs and lower lows? For example, we might do something like this, right? And eventually after fall down. Yeah, it is likely that we cannot go all the way down. We might be forming some lower lows, lower highs, and eventually we could be having, now that we get into the 7.43, a mini pump, right? But eventually this won't be enough. Even if we go to 11 USDT, which is the best thing we can do right now, 11.2, we won't be going further upwards. And what I think we are going to do is to fall down here. So it is either two options. First, we do a small pump and then we drop. And secondly, we just drop without having a small pump. Either way, the result is the same. We are going to go further down into the next support levels and possibly maybe even down to 5 USDT. what I suggest you to do right now is to observe the market. If you want to ride the train, do not do it right now. Okay, if you do not want to ride the train, then it is fine by me. And of course, right now you will see that Twitter will be going on with many people talking about 200 USDT. Avoid these comments. It is not going to do it. And here I am to tell you that. Okay, I will be just defending my opinion right now. It is not going to go all the way up to 200 USDT. Forget about it for now for UNIFI. Okay, later on we might be having a very huge pump. However, right now we are going to correct. Already the 41 USDT was the highest right here, indeed perfectly fine, but right now it needs to consolidate, it needs to correct after this 275 percent pump, which was like 1000% in just 2 days, I think, something like that, right? Crazy stuff going on from UNIFI, and right now it is going just to correct a little bit. I think that we are going maybe to have a small pump. However, we are going after down to the next support levels. Check them out and write them down: 6.20, 5.90 and 5 USDT. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto as well, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.